If you're sending multiple products from multiple suppliers separately, then chances are that you're probably spending multiples more on shipping than you need to. And the reason is because sending 2 packages instead of 1 package of the same total weight will always cost you more. Here's what I mean. Let's say we're selling trainers or sneakers for those in the States, which are around 350 grams. And then we upsell some silicone shoe covers, which are 50 grams per pack. Look at the difference in shipping costs when you send everything separately versus sending everything together. So using a 4 to 7 business day shipping line, sending a 400 gram package, single package is going to cost you $8. Whereas if you separate that 400 grams into 350 grams plus 50 grams, it's going to cost you $11.31, which is over a $3 difference. And the reason is there are 2 charges. So the first charge depends entirely on the weight, but the other charge is a fixed fee per package. If you're being charged solely on the weight, then it wouldn't really matter as much. But when you send 2 packages instead of 1, you're also being charged 2 fixed fees instead of 1. So in our example, the fixed fee for the 400 gram package is $4.11, as is the fixed fee for that 350 gram package. The difference is that there is a fixed fee for the 50 gram package of $3.42. So you're paying a $3.42 fee for no good reason. Just to put that into perspective, if you're getting 1,000 orders a month, so 33-ish orders a day, then you're losing out on $3,310 per month, which amounts to almost $40,000 a year. So obviously we want to avoid that. We want to send everything in 1 package, but how do we go about doing that? So the way most e-commerce stores, at least the ones that are getting orders already per day, will do it is by using a 3PL. So 3PL is a third-party logistics company. They store your product in their warehouse and then they ship the products together in 1 package to your customer. Now the 3PL could be based in China, which may be known as a dropshipping agent or a fulfillment center, or the 3PL may be based in the country where your customers are. So it could be in the US, the UK, Australia, or wherever your customers are based. In our case, we work with clients who have multiple upsells or bundles on their stores. So if they were to send each product out separately in any of those bundles, they'd end up paying a fortune. So obviously what we do for them is, after sourcing the product and having it stored in our warehouse, we can easily pack all the products in each bundle or whatever upsell into 1 package to send directly to the customer, which saves them a lot of time because we're not waiting for that product to arrive, first of all, and a lot of money because it's all going in 1 package. And if you're using AliExpress consolidated shipping, where every product ordered to the same customer on the same day is consolidated at the AliExpress warehouse into 1 package, then watch out for 2 things. First of all, customs fees. Customs fees may apply depending on the country you're shipping to if the value of the entire package, so the value of each product, exceeds the customs threshold. And secondly, watch out for slow moving products. If you're getting multiple products consolidated into 1 package in the AliExpress warehouse, but one of those products takes ages to get there, it may delay the entire shipment. But yeah, do double check everything yourself for the country that you're shipping to. I personally haven't used AliExpress in a long time because I run a fulfillment company myself. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.